up guys, TNT Anglers back with another video. Today me and my friend Justin, one of me and Ty's roommates, are at this new pond. I've actually never been here before, but I hit up one of our friends and he said we could come on out. It looks pretty good. The water's a little muddy, but probably throw something black and blue, something dark. I got like a black with orange speck Cinco on, so I'll probably start with that. And I might chuck the old swim bait around, see if I can get on a bigger bite. But it looks pretty good. Might head to a creek after this, but we'll see how we do here. Hope you guys enjoy. Didn't go as planned. I tried to skip it under it, but it skipped over it. Alright, so Justin's hooked up. He was getting a couple hits down there and ended up getting this bad boy. Dang, that's probably about 1.5 pounds. Let me feel him. What the heck?
There you go.
Alright, so there's Justin's bass. Dang, that's a football, dude. Yeah, that's probably 1.5 pounds or a little more. Dang, dude, this fish is like white compared to what we usually catch.
Yeah.
Alright, so there's Justin's bass. Let's get the release. Back in the water. Right there's one. Whoa. It was way out there, dude. It had it for a while. Get up here without breaking. Let's go, dude. This pond's killer so far. Again, another. I mean, that's literally the same fish. It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
So we moved down a couple spots and I caught another, or not another, we caught another one that's another chunky football. Again, this fish is really white compared to what we usually catch, so what I think that means, I could be wrong, but that there's not much grass that they're hanging out around. It must be just like rocks and brush mainly, but there's not much grass in here. This fish would be really green, so alright, time to release this girl so we can come back and catch her when she's about a 5-pounder. Let's get her back in. There she goes. It's running to me. I don't know if I got a good hook set in it or not. Holy crap, he's feisty. Yep. Another football, dude. Right in the roof of the mouth, right where you want it. Alright, right there's another chunky bass. He said they're all stacked up in here like that. Alright. There we go, let's get her back in. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap things up here at this pond. Didn't really do too bad. Me and him caught 2-pounders. I caught 2 about the same size. But we're gonna wrap things up here at the pond, and I think we're gonna head over to the creek. There's a creek that this pond runs off of, and we're gonna go hit that up and see if we can crack out another video for you guys. But sadly I didn't catch any on the swim bait, but we did pretty good for quality size. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and comment as usual, and subscribe for more. See you guys later.